Good morning students. In the previous video lecture we had completed up to third question of first exercise. Now today we will see fourth question. Now express the following in the form a plus ib. Then a, b are real number and I is under root minus 1 means imaginary. State the values of a and b. Now the first one, 1 plus 2i in one bracket and in second bracket minus 2 plus I. So for solving this we will first multiply with this 1 to this second bracket, and then after that 2i multiply by this bracket, and then after rearranging we will get a plus ib form, and on that we will write value of a and b. So this is the first one. So 1 into minus 2 plus I plus 2i into minus 2 plus I. So this is minus 2 plus I minus 4i plus 2 into I square. But I square is equal to minus 1. So therefore minus 2 plus I minus 4i, this is minus 2. So minus 2 is minus 4, and this is minus 3i. Now this is of the form a plus ib. So therefore a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 3. Now the second example. In second example, 1 plus I and 1 minus I to the power minus 1. Now we will write this in this way. So to the power minus 1, so we will write this term in the denominator. So 1 minus I. Now we will take complex conjugate of this denominator, that is 1 plus I, again 1 plus I. Now in the numerator same quantity, same bracket 2 times, therefore 1 plus I whole square, and in denominator a plus b, a minus b identity is there, so a square minus b square. Now in the numerator we will apply a plus b whole square, so a square plus twice ab into b square, and in the denominator 1 and I square is again minus 1. So this is 1 plus 2i minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So this 1 cancel. So this is 2i upon 2, again 2 cancel. So this is only I. Now only imaginary part. So a plus ib form is 0 plus I. So value of a is 0 and b is 1. Now the third one. Third example, I into 4 plus 3i and in the denominator 1 minus I. So first of all multiply with this I to these two terms. So 4i plus 3 into I means I square upon 1 minus I. So this is 4i minus 3 because I square is minus 1. Now again 1 minus I. So again we will take complex conjugate of denominator. So that is 1 plus I upon 1 plus I. Now this is 4i minus 3 into this bracket. So we will multiply with 4i to this bracket, and then after this minus 3 into this bracket. So 4i into 1 means 4i. 4i into I means 4i square. Then minus 3 and then minus 3i. And in the denominator a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Now here in place of I square we will substitute minus 1. So 4i minus 4 minus 3 minus 3i, and here 1 plus 1 because I square is minus 1. So here 4 minus 3 is 1, so I, and this is minus 7 upon 2 means minus 7 plus I upon 2. So we can write this as minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 I. So value of a is minus 7 by 2 and value of b is 1 by 2. So this is of the form a plus ib. Now fourth one, 2 plus I and in the denominator 3 minus I, and in the second bracket 1 plus 2i. 1 plus 2i. So again first of all we will solve denominator and then after solving we will take complex conjugate of that bracket. So 2 plus I, and in the denominator 3 into 1 means 3, 3 to the 6I. Now this is minus I and this is minus 2I square. So again I square is minus 1, so 2 plus I, and in the denominator 3 plus 5I, and this is plus 2. So therefore 2 plus I and 5 plus 5I. So 5 plus 5I, again we will take complex conjugate as 5 minus 5I. So 5 minus 5I. So multiplication in the numerator, 2 5s are 10 minus 10I plus 5I and minus 5I square. So I square is minus 1, so this is plus 5. And in the denominator, a square minus b square, so b square is 25, and again I square is minus 1, so plus. And reason is I square is minus 1. So now this is 10 plus 5, 15. So 15, and this is minus 5I upon 50. So we'll separate the denominator. So 15 by 50 minus 5 by 50I. So therefore 15 by 50 minus 5 by 50I. So all these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, and then 5 10s are minus 5 1s are, and here 10, and this is I. So value of A is 3 by 10 and B is minus 1 by 10. In this way we have completed 4 examples. Now 5th example. This is the 5th example. So a by b whole square, so this can be written as 1 plus I whole square upon 1 minus I whole square. So here we will apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a square plus twice ab plus b square, and in the denominator a square minus twice ab plus b square. So 1 plus 2I minus 1, and here 1 minus 2I minus 1, because I square is minus 1. Now this plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then this is 2I, in the denominator minus 2I. Then 2I is also cancel. So this is minus 1 is remain. So only real part, there is no imaginary part. So plus 0I. So value of A is minus 1 and value of B is 0. Now the next example, 6th example, 3 plus 2I upon 2 minus 5I. In the middle, 3 minus 2I upon 2 plus 5I. Now in this example, you can solve in this way. Take complex conjugate of this I and then this 2 minus 5I. So 2 plus 5I upon 2 plus 5I. And then here 2 minus 5I upon 2 minus 5I. Otherwise, you can directly take cross multiplication. So 3 plus 2I into 2 plus 5I, then plus 3 minus 2I into 2 minus 5I, and whole divided by, this is 2 minus 5I and 2 plus 5I. So now 3, open this bracket. So 3 2 is 6, 5 3 is 15I, then plus 4I, plus 5 2 is 10, then I square. This is the expansion of this 2 bracket. Now in the same way we will expand this. 3 2 is 6, minus 5 3 is 15I, then minus 4I, then minus plus, 5 2 is 10, then I square. And in the denominator a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square. So now this is a 6 plus 15 plus 4, 19I. I square is minus 1, so minus 10 plus 6. Now this is minus 19I, and this is again minus 10. Whole divided by 4 minus 25. I square is minus 1, so this is plus. So now this is 29, and this is plus 99, minus 99 cancel, then 6 plus 6 12, and minus 10 minus 12 minus 10 is minus 20. So therefore this is 12 minus 20 upon 29. So minus 8 by 29 means this is only real part. So this can be written as plus 0i. So a is equal to minus 8 by 29 and b is equal to 0. So in this way we have to solve fourth question. Now in the next video lecture we will see the remaining examples.